Blizzard zombie apocalypse. How do you survive? Go. First up on the list is find a warm place to stay. We all usually have that. It is called a house. So a house would be the best place. That is, until you need food. In order to acquire food, you will need a vehicle, a place, and a plan on how to get the food. We're probably not going to be hunting in a zombie apocalypse. Unless you're crazy. A lot of people would probably be hunting during the zombie apocalypse. Personally, I would think someplace like... Well, obviously Walmart's probably going to be completely overtaken. So, I recommend Bass Pro Shop. For the sole reason of most people are not going to Bass Pro Shop for food during the zombie apocalypse. Although they might be out of snow stuff. So that might be a problem. Personally, I would probably take something such as a Subaru for your transportation. Because let's be honest, most of y'all sports cars with rear-wheel drive aren't making it very far during the zombie apocalypse. Nor is my Toyota Camry. Not any car though. I'ma take a Subaru Legacy. All-wheel drive sedan. Because let's be honest, sedans are probably the best model you can get if you want to survive a zombie apocalypse. I'm sorry, Dodge Ram truck owners. I'm not actually sorry. Screw you, Dodge Ram.